Hello, good afternoon, welcome. This is Waec 2018 Literature in English past question. Question number 45 says, among these unlucky deeds, the immediate one is dash. That is, I've told us earlier that we're using this quotation to answer question number 41 to 45 as asserted from the text titled Othello by William Shakespeare. That is the name of the text that we are using. And then it now says that among these unlucky deeds, the immediate one is dash. A. The killing of Desdemona. B. Declaring Desdemona as unfaithful. That is unfaithful wife. Unfaithful wife. C. Refusing to listen to Emilia. That is the wife of Lago in the text. Then D. The sacking of Cassio. Remember that Cassio is a lieutenant. That is soldier seconding Othello himself in the text. Seconding Othello in the text. So the correct option here is option D, the sacking of Cassio. And that is the genesis of the downfall of Othello that generate the plotting against Othello, which happened to be the main character. Thank you and God bless you.